Hello. Before I get started with my usual spiel that you hear every morning, every time I start my camera, I want to say it's very important to pay attention to what's going on in your mind and in your body. Today was my first losing day in longer than I can remember. I had 8 trades and I ended up negative 2.75. Out of those 8 trades, there were 3 winners. One of those winners was my very first trade. I literally thought I was in simulation on that one, and I did not even expect it to show up on the screen. I had flicked it over, and I remember seeing it, I was like, well, maybe I just clicked on it twice and didn't realize it. So my first trade, which was a winner for a tick, was unintentional. I really thought it was on simulation because there was something weird going on with the way my charts looked, and it didn't look like I had the 2 contracts set up and it was only on one. And so I was like, let me just see if this is working properly. And I clicked on it and closed it out, thinking it wasn't even going to show up because it was on simulation. But as you can see, or as you will see, it was there. So I am going to take the rest of this week off. At least up until I get some word back from the doctor. Have a colonoscopy set for the 9th. It's weird. I'm kind of looking forward to it in a way. I don't know. Have a clean system before it starts. Hey, that's never a bad thing. And we're going to know exactly what's going on. Hopefully. Fingers crossed after that. I did start out feeling really, really great today. And really expected this to be a good trading day for myself. And I just kind of let my mind wander and get sucked into things. In the spirit of being responsible, as I was really starting to take note, and I spent most of the day in the red. I did take it up above the red mark for a little bit, but I continued on after that. And I did not wait for 3 losing trades. I took 2 more after that, and I was like, done here. If anything, I hope that it shows you that when you're really not listening to yourself, to still listen to the rules. So my rules are 3 losing trades in a row, walk away. I had 2 losing trades in a row, and I had a bunch of losing trades throughout the day, so I just said, forget it. My mind isn't with everything. Let's move towards and work on something else for now. Something that can be just as productive for your mind and your body, but not destructive for my account. So I'm probably going to take a few days off. I'm going to definitely wait until I hear back from the doctor of things, which I'm expecting to be probably Wednesday. But anyways, I try to be as real with y'all as possible. And I can't hide that I had a losing day today. Do I want to crawl under a rock and be like, I can't show this to people? Yeah. But if you've learned anything about me and spending time here with me, I'm a firm believer in getting it out there. And if I don't get it out there, and if I'm not straightforward, if I don't put it out there that I had a losing day, then I'm hiding it. And hiding it would just mean the further days are probably going to be losers as well, because that's going to be going in my head the whole time going, I got to make up for this. I got to make up for this. And that's not who I am. So enjoy the video, and I'll catch y'all a little later on in the week. Hello and welcome to Monday. It's Monday morning. I tend to feel pretty good in the mornings. So I'm going to just roll with it and see if I can't get a little bit of trading done this morning. Got my wheatgrass. You can see my little popsicles still floating around in there, waiting for them to defrost a little bit. And then I'm going to chug that sucker. I used to take those every single morning. And, I'm lucky enough that I have a really good friend of mine that grows juices and actually flash freezes and sells wheatgrass. So he made sure I had plenty for when I'm not feeling good. And he juices it from the roots, so it still tastes like grass, which we all know what grass tastes like, but it has a really sweet aftertaste. So just some green food for thought. All right. I have not meditated this morning. I may do a quick one before it gets started. This market is doing right now what I thought it was going to do. Let me look at my time. We got about 15 minutes before the market opens. Seems like lately, a little bit before the market opens, it's been kicking off. Let's just go take a peek at it. Ooh, got down below there. Let's see. These are showing strength. I have to go through here and break it. Yeah, tried to hit the close before, but I did not. Be patient for the right move. All right, guys. This one doesn't work out, then it's my 3 and done. And my brain just is not in the right place, and that's okay. It happens. Sometimes we need to take a loss to recognize that. Okay. Watch in here. I think this may, yeah. I was gonna say, I think this may pull up a little bit more again. Need to see something. I set up the first trade on Sim. Could have sworn. Nope. Actually just clicked this one because I thought I moved it over to Sim. Wow. Well, at least I got a tick off of it, but I really should not have. That should have been on simulation. I thought I changed it. Wow. I didn't just let it run. It's really looking like it's trying to push down here. Spot to move it up again. Ooh, and that popped up quick. Beautiful. Just pulled down to that bottom Bollinger Band and was making these little bit of higher pivots. Don't think, oh, there's news today coming out right about now, probably. Yes, news just came out. Be looking for a short soon. Okay. anticipate this to really pull down if it does. Go. I'm going to take my exit here. This could definitely still keep going down, but we're a little higher than that previous area. We're starting to get reversal bars as we're reaching the 0 line. Okay. Let it pull back a little bit deeper. Yeah. Well, of course my cursor isn't working. All right, I'm done. I have 8 trades, minus 2.75. Wow, just wasn't listening. Was watching these BBs coming down, watching this lower pivot, definitely trying to make something happen. So for those who say I don't show a losing day, here we go. Today's the day. It was tough. I was up, there were a couple of times that I was up, but I lived in the red most of the day, and I could feel myself wanting to make it back. So I think with that being said, I'm not going to trade until after test results come in. I can see where my mindset was today. If I do decide to trade, it will be strictly on simulation, just to stay in the right frame of mind. What you gonna do? You know, you can't win every day. And your mind has to be in the right place. And today, obviously, it was not. So, you know, what are you going to do? It is what it is. Life must go on, you know. What's the worst thing that could happen today? You know, it's not lose some money. So, I'm just going to take the rest of, I may even take the rest of this week off and just work on a few things, let my mind settle. Yeah. So that's that. That is that. First one was, I want to say accidental, but you know, what are you going to do? It is what happened. It was 2 ticks. I really thought I was on simulation for that first one. So 8 trades down 2.75. It just goes to show that the right state of mind is everything. So, guys, hope you have a fabulous Monday and look forward to catching you on the profitable side.